this time I'll do a very interesting thing. So now as the bike starts, you see we have two decibel meter or the sound level meter. We'll start them and see what each reads. I'm not going to accelerate anything right now. The motorcycle is very close to 2000 RPM idling. We'll start both of them, hold it together. But we have a very nice activity coming up, and I'll tell you why. The activity is basically for the new exhaust that we are going to put on the M1000RR. But if you look, both the decibel meters are actually reading the same noise level. You can say it's going to be plus and minus maybe 1 decibel, but I think that's more than sufficient for us. So what we are going to do is, like, before mounting any exhaust on the M bike or the M1000RR, we'll just start the bike up with the actual factory Akrapovic exhaust, see what the decibel rating is, hear the tone, then we'll mount a different slip-on. And the reason I'm saying only the slip-on right now, because the bike does not have 600 miles to change the full exhaust system. I just need the first service to be done on the bike. So right now, if you see, the Akrapovic on the HP4 reads around 89 decibels at idling, and we'll keep an eye here. I'll keep this position fixated. And then throttle it up. Okay, so this one goes to 107 decibels. That's a lot. The exhaust that we are getting for the M1000 can go to 110 decibels, but we'll still keep on trying different exhausts and compare the tones.